It's recording.
You gonna say anything?
This is Maya. Laying on her back with her paws bent under. Chewing on Erik as usual. Here's her belly where she had her surgery. Hernia. And then this is from her being spaded. Sorry to gross everybody out. Maya. Maya. Hi. Hi, little girl. This is her normal position here. Laying on her back. With her paws bent under. Totally cracks Erik up. And then she likes to gnaw on things. Fingers are one of her favorites. Somehow she knows not to bite hard enough that we yell. Apparently, she learned that because we would yell. Alright. We'll see you later.